Alright, what's up losers, crypto degenerates, and motorcycle riders? It's Zane here back with another video, and today we're doing something a little different. We're going to be doing some POV commentary on a little incident that happened over at Sauvie Island just northwest of Portland last weekend. As you can see, the weather was absolutely gorgeous, so do expect a POV video in the near future, and in the meantime, go follow my Instagram at Andrews_, and be sure to hit the subscribe button onto my channel. Let's get into it. Okay, to start off, we're going to skip ahead to after our incident, actually, at our little post-game press conference in this parking lot, if you will. We both had some things we wanted to say to each other, and without further ado, let's tune in and see what accusations we make.
What? Dude, that was a f***ing dash line. On God, it wasn't a double yellow, bro.
It was double yellow, asshole.
Are you dude, it wasn't.
You got it on camera right there.
Yeah, I do. It was a double yellow.
Reverse psychology
line.
There, unfortunate.
You tried to pass two cars on a double yellow line.
It was dash, bro.
And I didn't hit you. So call the cops for me not hitting your ass when you drove like a duck.
Whatever.
You drive like an idiot.
Whatever.
And I didn't hurt you. You're welcome.
Yeah, you almost did. You tried to.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did, bro. That second time you literally drove in front of me when I tried to pass, bro.
Bullshit.
Yeah, you did, bro.
Bullshit.
I have that on camera. That's 100% true, bro.
When you get home and you'll feel like a
Oh, you, dude.
Alright, so from his point of view, it was a double yellow line, and he did not try to cut in front of me a second time. And from my point of view, it was a dashed yellow line, and he did try to cut in front of me a second time. Let's see who was right. Alright, so here's the car coming up just ahead of me. You're going to see who's right about the dashed yellow line here in a second. Let's see. Isn't looking good for me right now. Here we go. Okay, right there, on a technicality. I don't think he should have done that, especially since the dashed yellow line starts right there, which was about a few hundred feet in front of me when I tried to pass him. No cars coming, probably not a smart idea to do this in retrospect. And then he does that, which was almost very bad. Guess I'm lucky that he didn't go all the way into my lane, but I don't think you should do that. That's pretty dangerous.
Holy shit.
Okay.
Go ahead.
This lady in the Prius comes by. Bless her heart. And that guy's mad. I forgot about that guy. He's mad at something. And there we go. That is what happened. Alright, with that being said, I'm going to play that clip again without any of my commentary so that you can draw your own conclusions and write them in the comments. In the meantime, subscribe to my channel.
Oh! What the fuck? You, bitch! What the f***, bro? Holy shit! What the f***, dude? Holy shit. Go ahead, bro. You win. Go ahead. Go ahead, bro. I don't want you to f***, kill me. Holy shit. Go ahead.